CBC Academic and Coding Lessons. Lesson 21, Parts of a Flower. Lesson content. A flower is the reproductive organ of a flowering plant. It contains male and female reproductive structures. Main parts of a flower: calyx, sepals. Green, leaf-like structures that protect the flower bud before it opens. Corolla, petals. Often brightly colored to attract pollinators such as insects and birds. Androecium, stamens. The male part of the flower. Each stamen consists of filament, a stalk that holds the anther. Anther produces and releases pollen grains, male gametes. Gynoecium, carpel/pistil. The female part of the flower. It includes stigma, sticky surface to receive pollen. Style, a tube that connects stigma to ovary. Ovary contains ovules, female gametes. Question: name the male and female parts of a flower and describe their functions. Final answer: male stamen produces pollen. Female pistil receives pollen and develops seeds. Lesson 22, Pollination. Lesson content. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. Types of pollination. Self-pollination. Pollen is transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower on the same plant. Cross-pollination. Pollen is transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of a flower on a different plant of the same species. Agents of pollination. Insects are attracted by color, scent, and nectar. Wind, a pollen is light and easily carried by air. Birds and animals, especially in tropical plants. Features of wind versus insect-pollinated flowers. Feature: insect-pollinated, wind-pollinated. Petals bright, scented, small, dull. Pollen sticky, few, light, many. Anthers inside flower exposed. Stigma sticky, feathery. Question: distinguish between self and cross-pollination. Final answer: self-pollination, same plant or flower. Cross-pollination, between flowers of different plants. Lesson 23, Fertilization, Seed and Fruit Formation. Lesson content. Fertilization is the fusion of a male gamete from pollen with a female gamete ovule in the ovary. Process of fertilization. Pollen lands on the stigma, pollination. A pollen tube grows down the style to the ovary. The male nucleus travels down the tube and fuses with the ovule, fertilization. After fertilization, the ovule becomes a seed. The ovary develops into a fruit. Petals, sepals, stamens, and stigma usually wither and fall off. Types of fruits. Fleshy fruits, e.g., mango, tomato. Dry fruits, e.g., beans, maize. Question: what changes take place in a flower after fertilization? Final answer: ovule becomes seed. Ovary becomes fruit. Lesson 24, Modes of Fruit and Seed Dispersal. Lesson content. Dispersal is the process by which seeds and fruits are spread from the parent plant. It helps reduce competition and allows colonization of new areas. Main modes of dispersal. Wind dispersal. Seeds are light and may have wings or hair-like structures, e.g., maize, dandelion. Animal dispersal. Fruits are sweet and fleshy or have hooks to attach to fur, e.g., mango, blackjack. Water dispersal. Seeds float and have waterproof coverings, v.g., coconut. Self-explosive dispersal. The fruit bursts open, throwing seeds away, e.g., beans, balsam. Question. Explain two adaptations of seeds dispersed by wind. Final answer. Lightweight for floating in air. Have wings or hair for drifting. Lesson 25. Role of flowers in nature. Lesson content. Flowers are important for reproduction in flowering plants and also benefit ecosystems and humans. Roles of flowers. Reproduction. They contain reproductive organs for pollination and seed formation. Attract pollinators. Bright colors and scents attract insects and animals. Biodiversity. Support pollinators like bees and birds, aiding biodiversity. Food source. Fruits and seeds develop from flowers and are food for animals and humans. Beauty and culture, used in decoration, ceremonies, and as symbols in culture. Question. List 3 roles flowers play in nature.